Right, this isn't going to turn out very well because it's dark, but we're out for the Thursday night sideband net. X50 there on the ladder, and the pole is up, bungee to the bike rack. Really nice secure to the yellow already because it's windy. There's the choke. Yeah, I'm about to go inside, open the window and pull the feeder in. There's enough squidgy stuff in the window to get it through into the window closed because the wind's coming from behind me. You can probably hear that on the microphone. Parked in a puddle, that's always good. Yeah, the antenna is up. Right, we're in the motorhome now and the radio is set to SWR, so when I key up, testing, seems like I've got a good SWR. 3, 9. Yeah, Rog, it's Charlie Tango 941 at Fell Beacon.
Good evening, Simon, isn't it?
Yeah, good evening. Just checking I'm on frequency, 395. Yeah, you sound a bit off frequency unless it's me.
Alright, don't know actually. Where are you, Fell Beacon again tonight?
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, whereabouts are you?
Yeah, I'm on Blackdown, just outside Hazelmere there, just in West Sussex, Surrey border.
Ah, brilliant. Well, I've got the telescopic fishing pole strapped to the back of the van, and the bazooka antenna going into the 817, and it seems to be working.
Right, yeah, by the way, you got AMC 017, careful, spoke a few times before.
888, we got you. Bit quiet, but readable.
Did you get him, Neil?
Yeah, Neil copy. Yeah, I got no signal on you, no signal, but you're radio 3.
I've got no signal on you also there, Simon. You're probably radio 2, sometimes 3, but a bit quiet to you, but I can't hear you. Are you taking anybody going further south most of the time? Are you hearing anybody else on station?
I've literally just turned on a few seconds ago, so nothing yet.
Okay, you just gone. Well, have a listen there, Simon, and then when you can hear, when we can catch you, we can see if we get through to you, okay?
Yeah, roger that. Roger. I'll just sit on the side and take notes.
Thanks there, Simon. Let's just right. Alpha Charlie 598 Carl. Are you receiving Charlie Tango 388?
10 to 8. Right, well, we are in here, but it's nice and warm. It's 22 degrees. It's blowing a gale out there. I've been in worse. To be fair, I haven't been on the sideband net or had the mast up for quite a long time. So looking forward to it, but I'm starving. I've been at work all day. I need food. So we're going to get some food on the go, then join in with the net.
See if Martin can hear me a little bit better. Martin, can you hear me a little bit better, over?
Yeah, you got about 7 with me, Rick. I have got you, and I've got Drew out there. Drew, you're stronger to me. Good evening, Happy New Year, etc. And also Simon, right? Simon's right in my noise. Unfortunately, I've got about that 7 noise here. Back to you, Rick.
Okay, Martin. Yeah, well, I wouldn't hear Simon where I am. I'd only hear Drew. Well, I'll relay that to Simon. Martin P said you're well back in the box in there. Has got a job to make you out there, Simon, but he's listening on to see what he can hear down at Polegate area. Right, well, I better say good evening to Drew. Good evening to Drew.
Yes, good evening. You're top of the shop, net, top of the shop. Yes, we're clear skies now. I did come up earlier, Rick, and I was sitting in the cloud again.
So there's the shack in the box.
I think Simon's given me...
For those who missed the previous video, Solar panel's normally in the window. It does slide on that top shelf. Also is a bag of connectors which sits in there with the solar panel. But tonight I'm just having a little flick around 27 meg. It's a 4U short back spider rat case. Spoke to you for quite a while, I think.
Yeah, no, I've been doing a bit here and there whenever I come on, nobody's on and things like that, and I've come up the hill just for the last few times, messing about with antennas, just getting back in again, now that it's all gone quiet. So yeah, I've nipped out up here when the conditions, here's Rick, yeah, when the conditions are good, the short conditions. So yeah, not bad. Oh yeah, I've been following you. I've seen your van. Looks good, mate.
Right, don't tell the boys on the radio, but it's bacon o'clock. Like I said, I've not eaten yet. I'm long finished work. I've not even put shopping away. I've got a bag full of shopping from Tesco's, but the Tesco's got some LPG, came straight up here. There's another knife I got for Christmas. Oh, come on. Yeah. You ready for the sound effects? Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Oh, it's nice and thick. Right, so got to have a bit of bacon while doing radio. Might even put the kettle on. I'll save what's left from my breakfast. Right, I'm going to get on, cook my bacon, and then I can sit down, get back to the radio, catch a little bit. Bad lighting, bad lighting. Right, bacon's nearly done, bread's buttered, kettle's on. I don't know if I'm, oh, there it is. Yeah. I have actually got home is where you park it, but it's a bit small. Even got a bin. Java cakes. Right, always looks darker than it actually is. It's perfectly bright. It's just it looks a bit dark in here. Bacon's nearly done. Kettle's on. So prepare ourselves. So, the debate is ketchup or brown sauce or something else. You put it on the bread first and spread it. You put it on the bacon. You put it on the second bit of bread, top bit. Normally, if I have a roll, I just all over it, job done. But when it comes to sliced bread, I don't know. I spread my brown sauce. Sounds quite wrong, that really. I spread my brown sauce. This one time at band camp, I spread my brown sauce. I'm not even going to bother with a plate. I'm going to eat off the chopping board. time to sit down with the radio. Got my coffee now. Back on the radio. Different frequency. Still FM.
Well, welcome to the Charlie Tango group. What I will do, Rob, is
I'll have a quick natter of rate, and then we'll head over to the sideband again.
For your application there, and just say hello to you and welcome you. Just wondered, we're talking about microphones, particularly my old Turner one that I'm using here.
Well, not been on 27 megahertz for a long time, and all the old boys are on it tonight who used to be on like years ago. Like back when I had the white Peugeot Extra, no Peugeot, no Renault Extra. Yeah, cracking night on the radio so far, and I get to just lean back and just chill. Time for yet another coffee. Loving this van life. Brilliant. Right, Drew got an old ambulance converted. Well, not old. Before that, in a motorhome. And there's Boris down the coast. His van's off the road where he's doing some work to it. He's converting that. He lived on a bus. I bumped into Nigel Camperman's van the other day when I was out and about. Friend of his was with him, and they got an ambulance. Martin on the radio the other night, he's just bought himself the one I wanted, the 6 berth one of these. Ray, he's in a van, but he needs that for work, just a normal van. But yeah, like everyone's got motorhomes and camper vans and converted vans, and brilliant. So we've just been sitting here tonight on the radio talking about vans.
We'll say 7 threes to you, Simon, and yeah, hopefully we will be talking soon. And you have a safe journey tomorrow when you're heading in. Drew, thank you very much for tonight. It's been nice to have another chat as we do, and likewise, you have a safe journey back down the hill as well, and hopefully we'll do it again soon.
Yeah, Roger. 73 for now. I'll probably catch you Monday on PMR. And yeah, catch you later, Drew. 73 for now. And I'll probably see you bobbing around the town somewhere.
Yeah, but there's that many vans. I seen you the other day, but it was too late to wave at you because I thought it was another person, because there's all them different vans. I keep looking, and it's never you.
Yeah, Roger, I'll have to put a mag mount on top of mine.
Yeah, so it's too late. You can recognise mine, but I can't recognise yours. Anyway, I'll catch up with you off the radio sometime as well, Simon. And say 73s, mate. All the best, Ray. Take it easy.
Yeah, cheers, Drew. 7 threes and all the best there. Good night.
Okay, I'm clear.
Yep, 73, down and out.
Yeah, good night there, Simon. 7 threes, and we'll talk to you soon. Good night now. Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, I messaged Thingy about the thingy and said about the weekend, and he said that's fine. So yeah, just give us a text or something when you know what day and time, and I'll pass it over.
I can do either Saturday or Sunday. It doesn't matter to me there, Simon.
Oh, Roger, I'll message him tomorrow and find out what's best for him, and then go back to you then.
Roger, thank you very much for that. And yeah, with all this time you're spending in the mobile there, are you neglecting the woods?
No, still been down there, apart from last weekend because I worked. But yeah, when I worked Saturday night, sometimes I rock up down there at like 1 in the morning and then have Sunday there, and then back to work Monday.
Roger, that's okay then. I just listening to you when you was chatting earlier, saying about different places to park the van up, and I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe he's leaving the woods out a little bit. You're neglecting that project as well.
Yeah, no, I try and get weekends down there, but it depends on where I'm working and what time I finish, like on a Saturday night.
Yeah, that makes sense. I understand that. Okay then. All right. Well, I'll let you break down the station there, Simon, and just text me with some news. It'll be fine.
Roger, Roger. Right, 73 for now. Catch you Monday.
Roger, 73s. Catch you Monday. Good night, mate.
Right, so yeah, I recommend radio of some form as a hobby. Obviously the Yaesu 817 there, my UDC bag down there. I've got a GT3 TP. My phone's also a 70cm radio. It's analog and digital, 70 and 2 meters. Did I just say? Antennas, great, marvellous. Don't have to put a mast up. Like Drew's just said, sling a wire over a tree. Tuners, oh, there's a lot. Whether it's PMR, free band, sideband, 27 meg, HF, it's all good. And yeah, it works well with the motorhome at the moment. So there's a really big shortage of photos behind me. Just spin around to this side. There we go. That's better, isn't it? Right, like I said to him on the radio, I've got to get the mast down, put the wire away. But it's a bazooka antenna, similar to the T2LT. T2LT, yeah. 9 metre fishing pole, bungee to the bike rack. Have a bit of a tidy up and get my head down. Thanks for watching, and yeah, catch you next time round. Oh, 73.